Ladies and gentlemen, this might be the most terrifyingly beautiful machine Bugatti has ever imagined. Welcome to the 2026 Bugatti Royale X. Buckle up, literally. What we could be looking at here is pure exposed carbon fiber from bumper to bumper, wrapped in gloss black accents so dark it looks like this thing swallowed a black hole for breakfast. That legendary horseshoe grille, completely reimagined, sharper, wider, more aggressive, flanked by insane triple-element LED headlights that look capable of slicing through midnight fog on the moon. And then the rear. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, housing the iconic EB logo with Royale X scripted beneath it, like Bugatti personally signed their masterpiece. Below that sits a monstrous carbon fiber diffuser and quad exhaust outlets rumored to produce a sound so violent, nearby car alarms simply give up and surrender. Inside, black diamond quilted leather with white piping, carbon fiber everywhere, dashboard, doors, center console, everywhere. A fully digital instrument cluster, metallic toggle switches, and a crystal gear selector that looks stolen from a Bond villain's penthouse. This isn't a car interior, it's a cockpit for someone who considers Mars a weekend getaway. Now let's talk power. Sources suggest the Royale X could feature a next-generation W16 quad-turbo hybrid powertrain. Yes, a W16, quad turbos, hybrid technology. Bugatti basically said, we're using all the technology. 2,000 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.9 seconds. A top speed north of 330 miles per hour, over 531 kilometers per hour. For reference, that's faster than many commercial airplanes during takeoff. Let that sink in. An active aerodynamic system reportedly adjusts in milliseconds to keep this carbon fiber missile glued to the road at speeds where reality itself starts looking like motion blur. And the price? Around $2.3 million starting. Before customization, before taxes, before Bugatti hand-stitches your initials into the seats using thread woven from pure ambition. Is it worth it? Bro, it goes 330 miles per hour. What do you think? Now, tell me, if Bugatti handed you the keys to the Royale X right now, where's your first drive?